Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to speak about strategy on Bank Nifty, where you can find easiest strategy for regular income. To be frank, I am not a creator of this strategy. I came to know from one of the YouTuber, and after that I did backtest for many months. Then whatever result I got, it was satisfactory, and chances of stop loss is very less, and profit is also very limited. So let me show you chart what indicators you need to use and what time frame and what is the maximum up to maximum point you can wait. So let me take through Zerodha chart so that you will also understand in a better way. I hope you can view Zerodha chart. It's a bank nifty future sorry. So whatever method you are going to follow, it is in Bank Nifty future chart only, not through spot chart. It will work only in a Bank Nifty future chart. So as I told you, the time frame should be 30 minutes. This is the only one method you need to follow. That's it. When it comes to time frame. So let me go back to the slides where you will find other methods what you need to follow. So I have taken only April month, means the current month data. So after watching this video, for more clarity and for better understanding, you can have backtesting for other months also. So let me go from first slide. So as you can see, it's a Bank Nifty jackpot strategy, and again I am saying I am not a creator of this strategy. I am just sharing you all so that it will be helpful for other people also. But my request is please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Okay. Here you can see 1st April 2020 means current month Bank Nifty future chart. So here you can see April 1st first name first chart first candlesticks 30 minutes candlesticks. So here what you need to do, you need to wait up to 10-15 candle. So this one is a 10-15 candle, means in a further slide I have marked a symbol also, so where you can see the what is a 10-15 candle also. So here you can see 9:15 candle, 9:45 candle and 10:15 candle. So here you need to follow only one thing, is you need to wait up to 10-15 candle get close. So as soon as it get close, so you need to mark high and low as I marked here. So this is the high, so this is the low. Okay, and it's very simple. So after that, when this high or low get break, so that time you need to enter for trade, whether it is downside or upward movement. So wherever it get break, so you need to go for trade. And my suggestion is, so once you enter into the trade, once it get executed, please wait up to 50 points. If it is less than 50 also no issues, between 40 to 50. So as I told you earlier, here is stop loss looks big and profit looks little less, but one thing I can say, the chances of stop loss hit is very less and chances of profit hit is very high, so that you will get a regular income on a daily basis. And it is mainly for small trader like us. So here in this first slide you can see it's a 10-15 candles. It got closed for 33 430 484. Then this also, then the third candle low also got break. Then it it went up to 50 point less, means you will get 50 points. So likewise I have taken other days also in April month. So I will show you other date means after April 1st There was a holiday, so next directly I went directly. Trading was on 5th of April. So here also I have marked here. Here you can see this is the 10:15 candle. So it got closed. Sorry. This is a 10:15 candle. So here this is a 9:15 candle, 9:45 and 10:15 candle. So here I mark low as well as high also. Here you can see low got break. Then after once it get break, so as soon as it get break, so it has come down further also. So that's why here you cannot see it properly. So in a live chat you will see that in a proper. So it got so there is a 50 point profit here also. It is a very limited profit, but here you can see the stop loss is little high. But as I told you earlier, so the moment you get 50 points, you need to exit from the trade. Let me go to other slide also. After 5th April, then next day trade on 6th April 2021. So here I mark. So this is a 9:15 candle. April 6 9 April 6 sorry April 6 9:15 candle, and after that 9:45 candle, then 10:15 candle, and here also. So here you can see the moment high get break, so it went up to 50 points more. So here also we end up with the profit. So here we need to maintain only 50 points, 50 bank nifty 50 points I'm saying. So quantity is left to you, it's depend on your pocket size. So I have calculated only on one lot, that is 25 quantity. But whatever quantity you want to, like, it's up to you, you can decide whatever quantity you want. So let me go to on April 7th. So April 7th, this one is a 9:15 candle, 9:15, 9:45, then 10:15. So after that 10:15 high is here. So the moment it get break, you can see up to where it went. So it went up to more than 200 point also, but it doesn't come our strategy. So our strategy is only wait up to 50 points. So as on, like, from April 1st to April 7th, wherever I have shown stop loss, there was no stop loss hit, but wherever, so everywhere there is a profit of 50 points. Let me go to April 8th also. See here you can see this is the April 8th first candle, then April 8th second candle, then April 8th third candle. So as soon as it get break, you can see boom, right? So likewise sometime it give more profit, but our question, our here you can see the small stop loss also, because stop loss it should be, suppose if I one thing I forgot to say, suppose if low get break, so we are executing trade as per, once it get trade we are going towards shorting side, and stop loss should be whatever high we have, like it is showing in chart, means for third candle that high should be a stop loss. But here you can see small stop loss, but in a previous slides and I can show, I have shown you the stop loss is big, but nowhere stop loss was hit. So let me go to April 9th. So April 9th first candle was, it's a big candle. So second candle, then third candle. So as soon as third candle low get break, here you can see arrow mark also. It's arrow mark I only put so to understand it better. So as soon as it third candle low get break, so here you can see again boom. Then April 12th. So April 12th also you can see this is the first candle of April 12th, second candle of April 12th, third candle. Here high and low is marked. So as soon as it low get break, you can see. So guys, it's very simple strategy, and also you can get a regular income by following this strategy. Let me go to April 13th. So this is April 13th. This is the April 13th. Just a minute. April 13th first candle, 9:15 candle, then 9:45 candle, 10:15 candle. So here high and low is marked. So once it get break, so after without any obstacles, it went for 50 points low, further low. So guys, likewise we can earn on a daily basis. So, and also one small calculation I will show you. From Here you can see in the formula, you can see 8 days in April month as on today, means today is 13th. From 1st April to 8th April, sorry, 13th April, we did 8 trade. So here you can see formula, so 8 trade. So quantity is 25. So I have taken, as I told you, the quantity I have taken only 25, and profit what we got is 50 points. So it's very simple. So quantity is 25 and profit is 50. So here on a per day basis we are getting 1250 rupees. So is equal to 8 trade we did. So 1255 250 into 8 trade we did. So 10,000 rupees we profit we got. So it is inclusive of tax and all. So you need to minus tax, whatever charges, brokerage charges, all these things has to be minus, has to be removed, has to be taken out from this profit. So, but what overall what I can say, it's a decent profit, 10,000 rupees. So it's very much useful for retail traders. So my final request you to please share this video as much as possible. So let this video reaches to everyone so that it will be helpful for to these retail traders. Thank you guys, and also at last I'm requesting you share my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. If I will next in the next video I'll come up with a new strategy, not for Bank Nifty, for others. I'm saying. Thank you.